Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever wanted to bring your beachy waves along with you, no matter where you are, today's product might just be your new travel companion. I'm talking about the Conair Travel Beach Waver curling iron, designed specifically for people on the go. It's compact, portable, and promises to give you those perfect beach waves with ease. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. The Conair Travel Beach Waver is a mini hair waver with triple barrel ceramic technology. At first glance, it's exactly what it promises to be: small, sleek, and ready to take on the world. With ceramic barrels, this waver is designed to eliminate hot spots, reduce frizz, and add shine to your hair without the typical heat damage that can come from some cheaper irons. The three-barrel design is meant to give you those iconic, effortless waves we all love, in a fraction of the time it would take with a regular curling iron. What I really appreciate about this mini waver is its versatility. It heats up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for creating long-lasting waves. And let's talk about how it's tailored for travel. The size of the waver itself makes it so easy to fit into even the smallest of travel bags. And because it's dual voltage, you can take it anywhere in the world with the right plug adapter. Whether you're hopping on a plane for a weekend getaway or heading out for a longer trip, this device is designed to make your travel styling effortless. Oh, and it meets TSA requirements, so no need to worry about it being confiscated at security. When it comes to using it, I was pleasantly surprised by how smooth and easy it was to incorporate this tool into my routine. The mini design makes it super easy to handle, especially when you're trying to get quick waves without spending ages in front of the mirror. It's lightweight, but that doesn't take away from its ability to deliver impressive results. I was able to style my hair quickly without feeling like I was compromising on the quality of my waves. The ceramic barrels worked well in adding some extra shine and reduced frizz, which is always a plus for me. Now, no product is perfect. While the size and portability are amazing for travel, there are a couple of downsides. The smaller barrels mean you'll get tighter waves, which may not work for everyone. If you're someone who likes larger, looser waves, you might feel like you're missing that fuller look. Also, because it's a mini version, you don't have as much room to maneuver with thick or long hair, so you'll need to section your hair carefully for the best results. But if you're working with medium or shorter hair, you'll find this waver a lot more forgiving. In terms of value for money, I'd say this is a great option for travelers who want a convenient and functional styling tool without breaking the bank. The price is definitely reasonable when you consider how much you're paying for a portable, dual-voltage device with ceramic technology. Of course, if you're someone who prefers larger barrels or more advanced styling tools, this might not be the right choice for you. But for those who need something compact and easy to use, it's a solid investment. For the price point, I don't really see many other mini wavers that offer the same blend of portability and ceramic technology. You could find other travel curling irons, but the ceramic technology and dual voltage feature put this one ahead in terms of versatility and ease of use for global travel. The build quality of this waver is solid for a travel-size product. The ceramic coating feels durable, and the construction of the tool itself is compact without feeling flimsy. Plus, the fact that it comes with a 2-year warranty adds a layer of reassurance, especially when traveling with appliances that might get banged around in your luggage. If you've had any issues or concerns, Conair's customer service is known for being fairly responsive, but I didn't run into any major problems myself during testing. To sum up, the Conair Travel Beach Waver curling iron delivers exactly what it promises: beachy waves in a travel-friendly size. It's great for anyone who needs a reliable, compact tool to pack into their luggage, especially if you're someone who doesn't want to sacrifice styling quality while on the go. The mini design and ceramic barrels give you decent waves with reduced frizz, and the dual voltage feature makes it ideal for global use. If you're after looser, more voluminous waves, or you have very thick or long hair, you might want to look elsewhere. But for a compact, easy-to-use tool that fits neatly into your travel bag, this is a solid pick. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.